everybody, welcome to a new tutorial from Sound for More. It's Leo speaking. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit a pattern and therefore use the piano roll inside the Fantom. So before I start, I'd like to remind my viewers to subscribe as it helps with growing the channel. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's select a scene. Like in this case, I have a bank C, number 31. So just an initial scene. So let's click on pattern. So we have an empty scene with no pattern. So let's record something quickly. So let's click on the record button. Then let's remove the click. Let's go to step recording and let's input some notes. Something like that, very simple. Now let's press the exit button. So now you might be in this situation where you have been recording a number of patterns, in this case one pattern only, and you want to make some adjustments. So how do you do that? Let's click on the edit button. Now it will ask you if you want these to be showed again, yes or no, which you can activate it there. And then if you want to go inside the piano roll or the microscope, let's click on piano roll. The first thing you notice here is you have the representation of the notes up there, which I have recorded using step recording. So you can use your finger to move up and down, and you can see the piano keyboard here and a zoomed version there with the names of the notes as well, which is very nice. And then you see the symbol for the notes there on the piano rolls, and also their velocity underneath. Okay. So down here you have a number of settings which you can adjust using your function knobs, and then you have a number of functions you can also activate. Okay, so let's now adjust the length in terms of measure. So you see where it says there length. Let's use the corresponding function knob to make these two measure. You can see that this is double the measure. Let's make these 4. And the reason I'm making 4 is because I want to show you that you can scroll also left and right, not only up and down. Next here you have a selection of zoom vertically, so you can zoom in and out vertically, and you see the percentage there. And you can do the same also horizontally, like so. Also down here at the bottom you have the grid size. So at the moment is 1/4, but you can change to do 1/6, 1/8, etc., or you can go the opposite way. Okay, so quite useful, particularly when you want to be precise on the creation of notes. Okay, then you have a number of other options here. This is the velocity that will be used to draw notes. Okay, and this is the duration of the note as well. So you see that you have some buttons here which you can activate or deactivate. In this case, you have draw, which is active. So if you click on it, you can deactivate it. Then you have move to move notes. And if you click on duration, it will disable move. So let's start with move first of all. When you click on a note, it will play the note. Hopefully you heard that. You can click and hold, and you can move the note wherever you like, or you can use also the arrow keys on your Fantom as well to move up and down, left and right, like so. Okay, in this case it will not play the note. Next, what you can do, you can also change the duration. So click on duration, and at this point you can use your finger and you can change the duration, how long the note lasts for, which is very handy. Now, when you made the modification, you can undo. So you click undo. So you go back to the previous step, to the previous state. And you can also redo as well what you have undone. And if you like, you can also erase that note clicking on the erase button. Now, what you can also do is to draw notes. So let's click on draw. Okay, you see that is active now. And based on the duration that you have here and also the velocity, which you can both change like this, okay? Then you can click and create notes, okay? Which is very nice. Now we are still in duration mode, okay? So we could, for example, extend the duration of that note, like so. If we click on move and we move to the move mode. When you click on the note, you can still move it, okay? And you can also see it moving up and down on the piano roll itself. Now you have an interesting function here, which is called copy, and that is used to copy the settings of the note selected. In this case, the duration and also the duration here and the velocity. So in this case, if we take that one, at the moment we have duration 80 and 52, press copy. Okay, 80, 52. Let's go to this one. Oops. Let's disable draw this one to the note above. If I say copy, you see it changed the duration, and of course the velocity was the same. But let's say, for example, that I click on draw and I want to have a note with a very low velocity. You can see I've created a note which is there. Let's create it somewhere else like that. You can see that it has a very low velocity settings. Okay, so this is how you can record quickly, move, duration, etc. If you made a mistake and you want to delete more than one note, then it's very simple. What you do, you can of course select one note and click erase, or if you want to select a number of notes to delete them all, press the shift button and hold on it, and then click and hold, and you can select like a lasso, like so, and then you can say erase, for example. Okay, and then when of course you finished, just click exit, and of course you can go back to it whenever you like so, to go back to what to your editing. Okay, that was just a quick introduction on how to use the piano roll, which I'm sure you will find very useful as you progress with learning how to use the Roland Fantom. Thank you very much. Bye.